Our next speaker, Steve Blake, is a doctor of science specializing in nutritional biochemistry. He is director of nutritional neuroscience at the Maui Memory Clinic. He is lead advisor and author for Macmillan Reference Gale Encyclopedia of Alternative Medicine. He has worked at faculty nutritional biochemist at Hawaii Pacific Neuroscience for years. He is a research scientist who just finished a clinical study at the Hawaii Alzheimer's Disease Center that he designed and ran with a large team. He is a research director at the Neuroscience Nutrition Foundation. He has presented grand rounds at John A. Burns School of Medicine at Castle Medical Center in Kailua, Hawaii, Hawaii Pacific Neuroscience, St. Francis Liliha, Honolulu, and at Boston University Medical Center. He is the author of Nutrients for Memory, Fats and Oils Demystified, the McGraw-Hill College textbook, Vitamins and Minerals Demystified, Stop Strokes Before They Start, Autism, A Spectrum of Improvement, Mastering Migraines, Prevention and Relief, Arthritis Relief, Parkinson's Disease, Dietary Regulation of Dopamine, Healing Medicine, A Nutritional Approach to Alzheimer's Disease, No More Heart Attacks, Mosby's Alternative Remedies, and co-author of Mosby's Drug Guide for Nurses, 4th edition. Steve Blake has taught 25 classes at the University of Hawaii on Maui. He has taught classes at Stanford University, McLean's Harvard Teaching Hospital, and at Boston University Medical Center. As a professional registered medical plant specialist, he is well known for his databases on alternative remedies. The Herb Doctors database has information from 54 countries and regions worldwide and has over 168,000 footnoted facts. The database was also published by Mosby as Alternative Remedies. Steve Blake programmed the Diet Doctor software for graphing dietary nutrients. This cutting-edge research software has been instrumental in revealing nutrition information. Steve Blake lectures widely about the role of nutrition in health. He has taught anatomy and physiology and exercise physiology. He was the director of the Maui Holistic Health Center for 7 years. He is often heard on radio and seen on television. He attended the University of California at Berkeley. Steve Blake has a doctorate in holistic health specializing in nutritional biochemistry. He also has a doctorate in naturopathic medicine and is a neuromuscular therapist. He and his wife, Catherine, live on an organic farm on Maui that is powered by the sun. I'm very happy to introduce Steve Blake.